start. Excitement, excitement, excitement. All you Channel V crazy people, guess who's with me right now? Vijay Kim. Oh my god, this is so cool to talk to you.
Hi, how's it going?
Oh, going great. So what brings you to Kala Ghoda?
Oh, come on. What kind of a question is that? Everyone comes to Kala Ghoda to enjoy the festival, to have fun, eat good food, meet friends, and do a little bit of shopping. Check out my new bag.
Wow, that's Rekha from...
Right there, Rekha, the goddess from Umrao Jan, and I'm a Kathak dancer. It's my greatest passion, which people don't really know about me. And when I saw her on the bag, she is the one star I would wear a t-shirt of or wear a bag of. Love her, love her. What a dancer.
Fantastic.
What a dancer. To see her performance in Umrao Jan is something that it's a dancer's dream one day.
So, have you checked out all the stalls? Or most
Basically, yeah. You know what we usually do? We walk down the left side, then we walk down the right side, and then we check out the shows that are happening. So that's what I do.
Of all the stalls, I mean, everyone's just been so hardworking. There's been so many days they've been here. So, what do you think of it?
Well, I think the hard work's been paying off. I've been talking to a few of the stall owners. Last weekend they said that it wasn't that busy, but it really picked up Monday onwards. So now there's so many people, dhakka marke, you have to get to what you want, and I think it's become really successful and everyone's really happy.
So have you checked out the events that are happening, the shows and stuff?
Yeah, definitely. I haven't sat down to watch a performance. I was keen on watching a dance performance today, which I missed, but I'm coming for my friend's play tomorrow at 6:30, so I'm going to be watching that. Yeah.
So what do you think of all these people? They're getting so much of exposure, all the amateurs and stuff. So what do you think of that?
I think Kala Ghoda is a fantastic platform to showcase your talent. And, I really think that from here on, I mean, people are going to recognize you. You sort of start building a name for yourself. And obviously to perform here, you need to have that X amount of talent, which then is proof to yourself that, hey, you know what? Thank God I'm performing. So that's great. And I wish them the best, all the best.
I'm sure you felt, you had that nervousness when you started off as a VJ.
I did. When I joined Channel V, I had no previous experience in television. I had never spoken on a mic. I had never spoken to a camera. So sometimes destiny just comes and takes over and puts you on a path that you can never expect. And that's the beauty of life. Live in the moment, make use of the talent that you have, and just enjoy life.
I can see you enjoying the hustle and bustle and the vibes and everything. You're just so happy here.
I'm happy. Generally, I'm a happy-go person, and I love to come and participate in whatever Mumbai has to offer. That's what, makes us feel so good and patriotic. So it's great to be here.
Alright. So now that we are from Mumbai, we'd like to ask the most basic question we do. What do you think of Mumbai as a city?
I think Mumbai as a city is a city that has fantastic energy. I used to live in Toronto, and I went back to Toronto to join Discovery Channel last year. And I actually left my job and I came back to Bombay because this is home. I missed it so much. I realized when I was away what it really meant to me. So it's been 10 years in Bombay, and it is my most favorite city in the whole world. Despite our ups and downs, home is where your heart is, and Bombay it is for me.
Oh, we missed you too. All right. Thank you so much. Oh.